All right. Hello. This is the video going over how to do the lab that you guys are going to be working on next week, the first one anyway. Now I'm set up to make the stock solution that you guys are going to be using in the lab. I've determined we need about 1,500 milliliters, and this is the only container I have that can hold 2 liters, so this is the one that we're going to be using. Now, because I'm using a beaker rather than the Erlenmeyer that you guys are using, I do also have an extra stirring rod that I'll be using to mix this up. Okay, so I have also endeavored to label everything, so hopefully you guys can see what's going on. I've got the water beaker, the actual water container, acid beaker, and obviously the acid container. Oh, and I'm going to be using this 1 liter graduated cylinder because I don't feel like measuring 15 times using a 100 mil. So I'm going to be using this. Now, we're starting off with the water. Oh, I also have a much larger box of baking soda. This is the one that you guys will be using, which I'm going to set off here. Because if I spill anything, it's going to be a major spill. So let's get rid of these, and I should be ready to go. Now, my target volume for water is 750 milliliters. This is only a 1 liter beaker, so I can only put a little over 600 in here. So I'm going to start with just 500, pour that in, and then go from there. So that's what I'm going to do first. Pour that in here. This number doesn't particularly matter as long as it doesn't go over 750. Okay, so I need a little more than 200 more. I'll go 4. Okay, and that is going to be 700 and that's 5. Okay, 746. Okay, I'll pour that in here. All right, now the fun part. Now, I have 2 of these, but I don't really feel like dirtying both of them. And since all that has been in here is water, it's actually safe to put the hydrochloric acid in here. I need to pause this for a second.